Hello everyone, welcome back to our data analytics journey. Right now, we are focusing on the basics, learning foundational skill in Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, and Python. This will give you a strong start to understand how data works and how to analyze it. This week, we will start with the fundamentals, mastering Excel from basic to advanced, including formulas, pivot tables, and charts. Next week, we will dive into SQL to learn how to query and manipulate databases, a key skills for any data analyst. Then we will explore Power BI and Tableau to create powerful interactive data visualization and dashboards. Finally, we will jump into Python programming and its essential libraries like Pandas and NumPy to handle real-world data analysis and automation. So stick with me as we build a solid foundation first and then get ready to level up with advanced data analytics.